Hello, everybody. This is Professor Ford back again for the introduction to Module 8 this time. Here we are. Technological change. Let's see what's in there. Well, lectures. You don't want to miss this. Comedian talks about technology. It's actually quite funny. It is about 3-4 minutes long. Technology, we love it, we hate it. We love it when new things come along and better ways of doing things, more fun ways of doing things, right? We hate it when we're employed in the industry the new technology is replacing. Which brings us to productivity. The bright side, well, what is productivity? Productivity is what determines our standard of living. Why does the U.S. have a higher standard of living than Venezuela? Because a worker in the U.S. can produce more in an hour than a worker in Venezuela. That's it. Now, why is that the case? Okay, productivity. Standard of living is about more stuff. Okay, how much stuff we have. That's what standard of living is. And the more stuff you have, the higher standard of living you have. So, what determines our productivity? Well, it's human capital, the knowledge and skills workers acquire through education and training and experience. It's physical capital, machines and so forth, tools. And technology plays a big role in that. New technology is what is one of the main drivers of our increases in productivity, which means our standard of living is increasing. So, huge. Technology is huge. So, the bright side of technology is, that's pretty obvious, but the dark side. Oh, yeah. The dark side. It puts people out of work. When the telegraph was invented, 150 or 200 Pony Express riders were put out of work. There's no doubt the telegraph was a better way to do it, but nevertheless, people lost their jobs. Now, the upside is that the new jobs technology provides or creates are better and higher paying jobs than the ones that it replaced. So, that's the upside. So, in the long run, we love technology. It increases our standard of living. It provides better jobs. Now, the one thing about these better jobs, higher paying jobs, they tend to require more education and training. So the jobs they replaced may not have required that much. The new jobs tend to. So that can be kind of a downside as well. But overall, long term, we love it. So let's go to the homework. And again, this is the same old thing. Well, it's not quite old. Here's the chapter we read. Here's the Learn Smart questions. Learn the material in here. And then when you're ready, take the quiz. Okay, that's another installment in the final exam. Again, there will not be a final exam. The final exam this time the exam will be comprised of the quizzes. And of course, Economics Tuesday, Naked Economics if you want. Highly recommended. An amazing book. Students who read it tell me all the time that they understand economics much, much better because of that. And that's it. Have a great module, and I'll see you back for the next one in a few days.